Keychron Layout Bluetooth Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. This is a great budget option for those looking for a mechanical keyboard. It features red switches and is built to be durable and long-lasting. It also has customizable Logitech K552 Wave ergonomic keyboard, another affordable mechanical keyboard. The Havit is a good option for those looking for a quieter typing experience. It features blue switches and has a slim design with customizable backlighting. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the top 5 best products in this video. The links for the product mentioned in the video or in the description box below. That help us to you find the best one for your budget. Number 1. The Keychron K2 is a compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard with a 75% layout featuring Redragon G Pro brown switch and white LED backlight. Connects with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or USB Type-C, and has a unique Mac layout with extra keycaps for Windows. The built-in 4000 mAh battery can last up to 72 hours typing or 7 days normal use, with NKRO on wired mode or 6KRO on wireless mode. The inclined bottom frame reduces hand fatigue, and the elegant keycap legends make typing in dim environments easier. Number 2. The Klim Lite V2 wireless keyboard is an excellent investment for gamers and professionals alike. It features super low response time, fast membrane keys, and total freedom, allowing you to use it up to 10 meters away from your computer. This keyboard is also very quiet, producing soft keystroke sounds for a pleasant typing experience. Its chromatic lighting effects, adjustable brightness, and energy-saving system make it an aesthetic addition to your desk. Moreover, the keyboard is durable, lightweight, and has a long-lasting built-in battery, making it an excellent value for its price. Number 3. This Logitech C87 wireless gaming keyboard and mouse combo provides a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, anti-ghosting, and 19-color lighting adjustment, making it a great choice for night gaming. The symmetrical mouse design and 7-color backlight design offer a comfortable grip and visually stunning addition to your setup. It is compatible with Windows and Mac devices, and the package includes a common charging cable for convenience. Number 4. The Logitech K552 Wireless Wave Ergonomic Keyboard with unifying wireless technology. Black is a great choice for those who spend a lot of time typing and are looking for an ergonomic design. It has a wave design with constant curve layout that guides hands into just the right position for ease and comfort. It has a long battery life and a tiny unifying receiver that stays in your notebook. It also has good key travel with minimal sloppiness in the vertical movement, and additional functionality offered by the added media, application, and zoom keys. However, the text on the keys rubs off incredibly quickly. Number 5. The ergonomic wireless keyboard comes with 7 switchable backlights and 3 brightness levels to provide you with a different visual typing atmosphere. Choose your favorite keyboard setting and take your desk setup to the next level. The keys will be clearer under the backlight, too. Let you work effortlessly in the dark. Typing. Our light-up keyboard with wrist rest and foldable stand design improves overall comfort and reduces pressure on hands and wrists. Helps your wrist to be in a comfortable position and better body posture. Perfect for those office men needing long time working with the keyboard.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.